Hi, Parishan here, and welcome to another episode of Parishan Live. Now, in today's episode, I'd like to touch base on a concept of how people are riding on hot trends in order for them to make fast income. And to do this, not only that you should be able to observe what is the hot trend, but also that the market is niche enough and yet it has enough volume, enough size for you to get enough traffic in that aspect. So let me share with you one example, right? So what is happening when we are recording this video in the movies industry? Now the biggest movies of all time that is happening right now as the time I'm doing this video is none other than the Avengers movie. So if you do watch movies, you will know about Avengers. If you are not, then let me just give you a quick recap. Captain America, Iron Man, Spider-Man, Thor, Guardians of Galaxy, many superstars of the characters or superhero characters are in one movie called The Avengers. So can you imagine how big this is? Because fans of Thor will also be watching. Fans of Black Panther will also be watching. Fans of Iron Man will also be watching. Fans of Captain America will also be watching. So this is going to be massive. And let me share with you some ideas that people are using in order for them to make fast income within this short period of time. But this short period of time is probably enough for them to make some significant income. So like for instance, there are people who make money from affiliate programs. There are products related to the Avengers. Like for instance, they can be affiliate program with Amazon. And Amazon will have products related to Avengers or the superheroes. So they can do that. And how they promote this, they could do several ways. For those who are more short-term mindset, which I don't agree with their approach, is like spamming Facebook. Again, I don't agree with that, but that's exactly how they're doing that. So what they do is that they run software bots, and the software bots will crawl in Facebook and look for the keywords called Avengers or Thor, Captain America, and so on. And then they will do what we call auto posting. So this is like total hands-free of so-called making money from the internet. Now, I'm not suggesting this method, but I'm saying that this method does exist of how people are making money online in the shortest period possible. So the bot will go and crawl on Facebook and they say, hey, Avengers, and then they'll automatically leave a comment related to Avengers. And of course, in the comment, it will have their affiliate link to whatever products that's related to Avengers or the superheroes, right? How else people are making money? Merchandise. I think I spelled that incorrectly. Merchandise. Now they don't have rights from Marvel and so on, so they could not do a Captain America merchandise, but they can do a spin-off of Captain America. They can do a spin-off of Avengers. Like for instance, a mark, bags, backpacks, and so on. Like it looks like Spider-Man a logo, but it is not Spider-Man logo, so they're not infringing the intellectual property in that sense, right? And then there are names that they could use, like, I'm just making this up, right? Like, can you copyright Peter Parker? I'm not too sure about that, right? I mean, it's name. Maybe that is a copyright name, Peter Parker. But if it's not, right? Well, could you create a merchandise out of Peter Parker instead of Spider-Man? Right? I just want you to think about that. And then there are those who are making money with sites like Teespring, where they are creating t-shirts and selling in Facebook or social media websites and so on. So the whole key thing here I want to share with you is that there's many ways that people are doing, marketers in fact, to make money within a short period of time, which is the Avengers, okay? And it can be very profitable once you start getting traffic, but the key thing here is that the whole concept is that you're riding on other people's traffic. So like for instance, let's take this bot. Now again, I'm not suggesting you to use this method, but I'm trying to illustrate an example how they're leveraging other people's traffic, because they're leveraging on Facebook traffic and they're leveraging on your traffic. So let's say you make a post, let's say you have a fan page related to the Avengers, and you make a post about Avengers, right? Then say you have 5,000 fans, and that is your traffic. But this bot will go inside there and leave a comment, and you will be tapping on your fans, which is your traffic in that sense, right? So if you think again, with a hot trend, or should I say a buzz, you can actually ride on that and get free traffic, because the traffic is already available at that moment of time. All right. So the point here is that there are many ways how you can make money with Avengers right now. But what is the key lesson here? The key lesson here is that many people saw opportunities, right? They saw opportunities and they see that, wow, this is great. I know I can make money with it. I know I should be doing it, but they just don't do anything with that, right? The key thing here is that sometimes it only takes some simple ideas to make money online, but what's really important is the so-called willingness to take action and actually do it. Now, if you do it and you don't achieve success, what is the worst case? Nothing really happens, right? Maybe you lose some money because you buy some ads, you create some merchandise, you design some t-shirts and so on, but nothing much from that. In fact, the reason why I can share this is because I did make money by using this when Avengers first come out. So when Avengers first come out, I saw the opportunity and actually created a fan page about Avengers. And from there, I built up like thousands of fans, and I was monetizing that fan page before Avengers was launched, and during Avengers, and then Avengers has like the second Avengers movie came out. I think it's Age of Ultron, and because of that, I continue to get traffic, and it generates income for me. And I know it works because, like I said, I've done that, right? And in fact, I did a short recording to walk my subscriber through how I actually did that. I mean, if you want to have that video for you to watch for reference, or to understand how I actually make money from doing that last time, just go ahead and click the send message, send me a message with the text. Maybe we just put Avengers, right? If you just type Avengers, and I'll send you a link, the video for you to watch. It's 100% free. It costs you absolutely nothing. This is just like my gift for you if you want to watch that. But bear in mind, it has been a few years since I recorded that, so it is not new. But I can show you like a case study how it was done. Other than that, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and leave any comment if you want to. Alright, we'll just say this is Patrick here, and I look forward to share with you more good stuff from Bernie Chan Alive. Thank you.